Hey guys, this is Andy with American Jetter. I wanted to show you today our dual pump single engine system. Has dual pumps, so basically there's several different configurations, but you can have one pump at a higher PSI, and then you can have a secondary pump that joins that for max flow at a lower PSI. This particular one here has two 10-gallon minute pumps, and I'm gonna go over some of the basics with you. It has a 5/8 hose reel on the front that hold 150 foot of 5/8 hose, large toolbox on the front, 12-gallon fuel tank, and then we got a 38 horsepower Kohler EFI engine. Can also be upgraded to a dual engine setup, for 20 gallons per minute plus on this 58 series frame. 220-gallon tank with low water shutoff. Shut the engine off if the tank gets below a certain level. 2-inch cam lock on the fill. Also has an indicator for bypass that lets you know if you're using all the water in the system. So if you're ever running at pressure and you're thinking, well, am I putting all the water to the nozzle? That little spinner lets you know whether there's any water going back into the tank. It's real handy to know if you got any more available water. This one has optional lights and strobe light on the back, 500 foot of hose on the reel, portable reel on the back. And on this particular system, this is your main powered reel. The portable reel is a hand crank reel, but you can operate it with a jumper hose off the back also, or you can pull it off and take it indoors and jet with the foot valve, which is in the toolbox. So I'm going to show you this unit with just in manual mode. This is also wireless, and then we'll do wireless remote. That's 20 gallons per minute. This is back to 10 gallons per minute. You got 10 gallons per minute flowing through there. And if you had a nozzle on there, you'd have pressure adjusted by your system unloader right here. So the hose reel is powered manually. You have to have the key switch on to operate. Everything works off the key switch being in on position. So manually you can reel the hose reel out or reel it back in manually. And we can also do that wirelessly. So what I'm going to do now is show you the engine start feature. Whenever you're using it manually, this will be your main valve, and then when you use it wirelessly, you open that and it'll allow you to have flow wirelessly. Whenever that ball valve is in the open position, if you have the engine running, water will be flowing. If you have a nozzle on there, you have pressure. So basically, we're going to start the engine. Get our water flowing. That's 10 gallons per minute. Press and hold to kill the engine, and then we'll switch it back to 20 gallons per minute. Start the engine so we have water flow. So anytime you want water flow, just start the engine and stop it to stop the water flow. That's for the wireless operation. And if you're using manual, use that ball valve right here on the hose reel. Any pressure is adjusted right here. Clockwise will raise the pressure, counterclockwise will lower it. There's also an antifreeze system over on this side. So this unit has quite a few options on it, and you guys have any questions or would like a quote on one, just feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks. Have a good day.